All right, here's a little trail, a little quick little stop here. This is the Pilgrim Spring Trail. From what I read, it's the first spot when the Pilgrims got off at Provincetown after a long voyage. They didn't have any fresh water, and up on this trail up here, I guess is where they said they got their first drink of fresh American water. So yeah, it's a short hike, it says. So I'm gonna check it out. Make sure I lock my car first. There it is. All right, let's go check this out. Easy trail though. Pretty much grass.
You are my favorite place to go. You're at the end of my favorite road. Above the rest, you're the best I know. You are my favorite shade of rose. A flower bed on my favorite stone.
So while we're here, if you like all these videos and all the past ones, what's coming up, you know what to do. You know what to do. Hit it, smash it, do whatever you gotta do. But I like making them, so I'm gonna keep making them even if you don't. Hopefully on the next little series, have the family with me. I miss them. Wish they were here. But yeah, it is what it is. So I miss them. Pretty cool. Nice little view. Still looking for the fresh water though. Looks like there's some water down there. Road over there. Huh. We're going down? That's a wildlife out here, that's for sure. Springs of fresh water, of which we were heartily glad. That's where we were. First drink of fresh water, 1620. Looks like there's some fresh water down there. First water. You go, little birdie. I guess you can, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's water down there. It goes that way. You can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it from here, but it goes along there. Some tall grass right over there. Pretty neat. First Pilgrim water. Right here. 1620 it said. What date? November 16th, 1620. Pretty cool. All right, let's continue. Easy little walk, about a mile. I think we're up here still, but yeah, simple, cool, nice, beautiful day for a walk. Nice, easy path, but yeah, we got a lot more to see, and it's getting late, like always. Wish I had like 2 days on these trips, because I always feel like I'm rushed, not seeing enough, but still seeing a lot, so that's good. But can't beat the day. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. All right, I'm hungry. I need to eat. I need to find something to eat. First I have to get to my car. I think the trail did a big loop and put me out up top here. But no big deal. It's fun. There she is. The old trusty. Man, put some miles in that bad boy. But it's a good car.
Before they did.
No, they just slow. We came down.
They're walking down or?
Yeah, they're walking.
Oh.
It's also known as Cape Cod
Just,
Lighthouse. This is the
where's
oldest
Melody?
tallest light, 4 feet of foot each year, so it depends on the storm. So 96 they realized they were going to have to move it or run the risk of losing it. The video in the other room plays the lead talks about it. There's some further process in the wall. And as you're heading back down towards the tower, you'll see there's a list of names.
Pretty cool up there. I just gotta get down these. I guess that lighthouse was moved from there, from up here. So golfers crossing. Doing a lot of stairs today. Man, my glutes are gonna be on fire. Or I'm just out of shape, but either way.
Oh, yeah.
Either way, yeah, those plastic, plastic, yeah.
They're back there. I guess you can see some whales from that area. I didn't see anything. They said they saw one up on top of the lighthouse, but I didn't see it. Probably can't make this out from all the wind noise, but this is what they call First Encounter Beach. It's just near Eastham. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I'm sure. Eastham. I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, this is Boston's that way, Plymouth is that way. Provincetown is that way. But yeah, it's called First Encounter Beach because this is where they said they first met the local Indian tribes somewhere around here. We'll assume they came down the beach. And yeah, it's a pretty cool place. But not much here, as you can see. So, Boston off in the distance. But yeah, it's getting to be 5 o'clock. Taking a little bit longer than I thought it would today, but it's been a good day. We're going to have to finish the rest of this trip up tomorrow or on the next video. I still want to stop at the Brewster store. We still have the Heritage Museum to stop at and a couple other places, but yeah, it's been a good day. And yeah, I think we'll have to finish this next part tomorrow. So stay tuned, watch the next video, and we'll continue our trip down the Cape back up to Sandwich. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.